Welcome to the exciting world of YouTube automation, where your channel can thrive without ever stepping in front of the camera like you see right here. If you've ever dreamed of earning a solid income from YouTube, with some creators even raking in tens of thousands of dollars every month, then you're in the right place. This course is your roadmap to success, guiding you through the essentials of monetizing your own YouTube channel swiftly and effectively. To get from A to Z as fast as possible, A being where you are currently and Z being the ultimate goal that you have in your mind with your Faceless YouTube channel, there's a few key things that you want to understand. The first is the ultimate blueprint to a monetized channel, right? We're going to unlock the secrets to monetizing your channel quickly. You want to understand YouTube's requirements, that's first and foremost, and set a steady pace for growth so you can earn as much as possible, as fast as possible. And for everybody, that's obviously going to be different, but I'm going to give you the blanket overall method, and then you can apply it to your specific situation. The next thing you want to do is find your niche. You have to learn how to pick a niche that's not just in demand, but also broad enough to fuel endless content ideas, ensuring that you have a stream of videos that viewers can't resist, and you have a constant flow of videos in the pipeline to produce on your channel. If you pick something too niche, there won't be enough ideas and you'll run out. The next thing you want to do is master script writing, which is a lot easier now with AI. You're going to dive into a 4-step formula to create compelling scripts effortlessly. Then it's on to recording the voiceover and adding your stunning visuals. Now you can explore innovative ways to craft engaging visuals, from captivating slideshows to animated graphics to whiteboard animations, and the list goes on and on. We'll cover them all. And we'll even cover AI tools and softwares that will automate this entire process for you if you decide to go that route. We'll outline the benefits and the drawbacks of each different method, which will transform your scripts into visually appealing videos in a snap second. Then we'll move on to a step-by-step video creation walkthrough. You can watch and learn as I take you through the entire process that I would use to create a video from scratch, revealing the tips and the tricks along the way. So you can kind of see how I'm creating one. I'm not just giving you the ideas, I'm actually walking you through the process. Then we'll move on to talking about how you can boost your views and your engagement. You want to enhance your videos with automated caption graphics. You want to keep your audience hooked from the start to finish, and we'll cover tactics to do that. You ultimately want to focus on watch time and click-through rate, and that's all in here and how you can apply it. Then the fun stuff, right? Early monetization tactics, right? How can you get monetized ultimately? But if you don't want to wait for 1,000 subs to start earning, I'll give you several strategies that you can use to monetize your content and your channel right from the start, even without brand deals or ad revenue. And these are all methods that I use myself on several of my channels, so you know that they're proven. It's not just things I'm telling you you can do. These are things that I'm doing. Then for those of you out there that decide to want to outsource this, hence the YouTube automation name, right? It should be automated. You should at one point, not necessarily in the beginning, but at one point automate the process and outsource it to either a combination of software, virtual assistants, or one or the other. So we'll cover that, whether you're looking to offload that work immediately, like I said right from the beginning, or you're planning to scale up with your sweat equity first and then do it once you're profitable. We're going to cover effective methods to outsource all of these tasks without breaking the bank. Again, software, AI tools, as well as humans, and outsourcing it to virtual assistants. It's all in here. Like I said as well, click-through rate is a massive thing on YouTube, and if nobody clicks on your videos, you can have the best video in the world, but nobody's going to watch it, right? So we're going to cover creating click-worthy thumbnails. You want to master the art of crafting thumbnails that really grab attention and drastically improve your click-through rate. Whether you're doing it from the start or improving significantly every single video, essentially your main goal should be to get above a 5% click-through rate. Anything above 7 is definitely great as well. But again, that's not necessarily going to be something that comes inherent to you. You're going to learn it along the way as you go. But ultimately, it's not just about learning these steps, and you will do that. It's about setting the stage for your own path to YouTube success using the tools provided, right? Whether you're a complete beginner or you're looking to enhance your current channel, it's possible when you understand how to apply these things properly. So buckle up, because we're going to cover all these step by step and break down how you can apply each to get monetized as quickly as possible on your way to faceless YouTube success.